Time?
2 hours out.
When did I say I was gonna leave?
20 minutes ago.
Can I have some more coffee, please?
Coming.
I'm missing a survey history in this one.
On it. Sorry about that.
Not a problem.
Hey, who's ready to have her life changed? Kim, did you hear me?
Yep, heard you. Life changed.
Stop your work, both of you, for a sec. I got big news.
Can you just tell us later, Jimmy? I'm so late, it's not even funny.
Mesa Verde can wait. Look, I got Zafiro.
It's not Mesa Verde. It's a new client, and if I mess this up, it's a former client.
I thought Mesa Verde was your one and only.
No, I'm sorry, Jimmy, can I just explain all of this to you later?
Sandpiper is settling.
What?
Yeah? For a bundle.
But they can't be settling. Class actions don't move that fast.
Don't get bogged down in the details. Trust me, they're settling.
Well, that's great then.
Yeah. So, hey, let's celebrate. I can tell that you pulled another all-nighter here, you know? You gotta stop and smell the roses. Hey, who's got 2 thumbs, a bottle of Zafiro, and 20% of the common fund? This guy!
I know, you do. I am happy for you, Jimmy.
Be happy for us. This is the solution to everything.
Okay, Frances, could you just put these all in
Kim.
my car? Yeah, Jimmy, I gotta go.
Give me 5 goddamn minutes.
I don't have 5 minutes.
But you're already late. What's 5 more minutes? So drive 60 instead of 55.
Jimmy.
What? You're not hearing me. Our troubles are over. Come on.
Jimmy, I'm leaving now. I'll be back in a few hours. Think of all the things you want to say to me and just say them to me later, okay? Bye.
You. Shots.
I...
Shots. We're celebrating. Cheers.
Smooth.
Yeah.
Under the terms we're offering, you get a substantial payment without any impact to your property via drilling and extraction. And rather than waiting years to close, Mr. Gatwood is offering cash on the barrel right now. Given the cost of overhead, liabilities, and other burdens Mr. Gatwood assumes, we believe this offer is more than fair. We believe this offer is more than fair.